to YouTube, stream to Twitter. All right, I see the Twitch stream, see the YouTube stream, see the Twitter stream. Sound seems good. Okay, I just have to click create broadcast on Twitter. It's created. And I probably want to tweet about it. No secrets on my screen, right? Okay, so yeah, sort of a change in pace of what I've been doing previously. Let's go to my chat on Twitter. All right, there it is. Okay, so yeah, previously I was working on some kind of like personal projects, but I just felt like, I don't know, it's kind of like legacy code. I read it a long time ago. It wasn't good, and I wasn't really interested in making it good. It seemed kind of boring. So I'm switching to something else. I'm actually going to work on Mentat itself. So part of the reason I've struggled to find the time to stream consistently, I guess I streamed last Monday, and I keep meaning to stream every day, but don't get around to it, is I mean, I should be working on Mentat, and it's what I'm most excited to work on, but I haven't really wanted to stream it because it's not open source. But I think that's not too important. I'll just like stream the parts that are like not secrets, which is most of it, really. Another reason not to stream it is, of course, it's not like entirely vibe coded. I can't just merge anything. But I'm working on this new part of it that is entirely vibe coded. It's not released yet, but I'll get a little sneak peek on the stream if you're curious. So I want to make a Mentat CLI. So I'm not thinking like a TUI. I don't really want a TUI. I don't know why people want TUIs. I don't like TUIs. But what I want is something sort of like the GitHub CLI. So there's a CLI for GitHub, and it allows you to like create issues. So issue create, and then you can like type in the title, and you can also create PRs from the CLI. Though I usually run this is the command I usually run. Oh yeah, so I guess I do create it with the CLI, but it like takes me to the web UX because I like the web UX. And but yeah, I want to make one for Mentat. We've actually already started, so we've got a Mentat CLI, so we can log in. I've already logged in, and you can run help, which I guess just prints what we just saw. Run v version. It's capital V. Okay. So we're on 0.1, though I'll probably change that back to 0.01. It's all vibe coded. So yeah, what can we do so far? You can actually create agents from the CLI, as well as login ls. So yeah, we can see the agents I've got right now. So it takes in like a search term, and I'm ordering by created at, or maybe this is actually removing the created at. So yeah, these are the agents I've got running on Mentat right now. As you can see, there's always like a long backlog of agents that like I keep meaning to get to, but I don't know, maybe today. This refactor, I really should do this refactor. It's not the best system. Okay, and then you can view agents. So like run. So yeah, the view and the message action, I really like because they actually read from the branch. So if you wanted to follow along with an agent, like let's say the query for recent, or no, that one doesn't have a branch because that one was just giving me SQL queries to see what's going on in our database. Let's see the issue lifecycle events one. So I can check out that 4272, and then you can do Mentat view, and it opens it on a web browser. Let me touch this web browser so it opens there. It's still opened in the other web browser. I really hate Mac. Though this is, I guess, not a Mac issue. I don't know why this is the last browser to have focus. I guess maybe it decides what browser by, well, it picked a different, I've got too many browsers open. Okay, well, whatever. It's opening a browser just off camera. Okay, but what I want to do is I want to change it to actually view in the terminal. So like if we look at get a PR view, this will actually show a view of the PR from the terminal. So you can see like it's this many lines and 3 days ago. And then there's also view web, which I actually run a lot. It's actually just GitHub web for me, because I run it so much. It's just much more convenient than like opening GitHub and finding it through their UX. So yeah, I want to switch it so we've got a terminal view of Vue, and let's see, I think I've already got an agent for that. So let's check it out and see how well it works. So which one was it? Enhancement. It might have been that one. I check it out. Check out Mentat 1290. Let's see what it's supposed to do. So it adds pure add support for explicit repository and branch. Okay. Oh yeah, this is another. Yeah, maybe we should start with this one. So yeah, as you can see, I'm not specifying what branch or repo to use for the CLI, neither for GitHub nor for Mentat. It's like read from the local environment, so like it knows that we want the agent that's associated with Mentat 1290 in the Butler repo, actually the Mentat repo. I should move this directory at some point, but I think I want to support repo flags. I wonder, does GitHub support that? I wonder, does it let you specify the repo? Oh yeah. So GitHub also supports this. Okay, which makes sense because, I mean, you want to be able to script it. You don't want to. The only way you can use it is to like first clone the repo. So it's logical that they'd give you another way. So we're just checking chats. Okay. Oh, there's the Twitter chat. Okay. So yeah, let's see if this this works. So what's another repo I could try to use? So let's do oh, so I think I need to move to CD and build this. Let's see how to build it again. I think it's just mp bunrun builds. Let's just go back. Bunrun. I think this is what no, that's for Clinky. Just trying to remember how I want to install it. Maybe it was I think it was the one that installed. That wasn't for Clinky. It was this one. Because yeah, I want to be able to install it so I can run Mentat, of course, with just typing Mentat. So I checked out 1290. So now I should be able to specify the branch deliberately. So let's let's just test the repo flags. Now when I run Mentat, it should. So if I just run message, oh okay, help message, and it'll. Oh, now it tells me the options. So I got these new options, repo and branch. So let's send a message to a different repo. Or let's not do message, actually. Let's do create, because well, we gotta find one, I guess. Yeah, Mentat QA's test repo is a good repo, I think. Yeah, so let's just make a new agent in this repo. I might have to write out the whole thing. I'm not sure. -r. I probably do. Let's see what happens if I just do that. Okay, invalid format. That's a fine error message. Okay. Just acknowledge you see this. Thanks. Yeah, and then I can write in Vim, which is kind of nice. Oh, failed to create agent. API unauthorized. Could not validate. Oh, I might need to log in. Okay, login successful. Let's try that again. Ah, what did I? Yeah. Could not validate credentials. Okay, maybe it does need to be capitalized, and we need to make this a better error message. I'll just write test. There's no reason to say what I want. Oh, maybe the... I'm pretty sure it should actually be, like, not... Maybe it is case sensitive. Okay, I guess it was case sensitive, and the I is also capitalized. I wonder if we can make it not case sensitive. Nice. Agent, okay, and now we can open that agent. So, so I guess we can't really open that agent without checking it out. Okay, yeah, you can see it did make the agent, and yeah, it just said, okay, so create works, and the dash rfly works. So that's good. What else did this repo do? Or this, what should do? Get a PR. So after create and message, it added repo and branch flags. Okay. I wonder if GitHub's is case sensitive. Let's try it. Is it capital R? Wait. I thought it said it did have it. Oh, okay. It's just capital R. But why did it not suggest it in this little handy helper? Okay, so it's not case sensitive. It finds it. I'll just make sure it does. Right, yeah, so that, okay, we should make it not case sensitive then. I wonder, it probably involves like a change to the backend though. So maybe I'll make a different issue for that. Which endpoint did it use? I wonder if I can use the create agent endpoint. Okay. Yeah, I should just probably need to actually change the endpoint. I'll make a different agent. I noticed that the create agent endpoint is case sensitive for the repo. Can you make it not case sensitive? And you make every endpoint. So I assume GitHub doesn't allow you to make like a repo that's like the same except for case, right? I guess we can check. Oh yeah, something I learned about just yesterday is repo.new allows you to make a new repo. So I guess we can just try to make a repo that would conflict. Yeah, okay, it doesn't let me make test repo with a capital T. Logical. That takes repo not case sensitive. So that's I think a separate problem. It's sort of independent of this, but we should fix it before we ship the CLI. All right, so yeah, I made that agent, so it'll solve that in the background. Let's just test the branch flag too. Let's pick out a branch. What? Oh, maybe I need to merge main. This one was kind of old, so I probably added it like recently. Oh yeah, so you can see this, it looks different because I changed it, but I haven't merged main. I probably actually should merge main to make sure it's there's no conflicts, because there could be. Okay. I should tell it to fix that. As a dash report. Okay. Yeah, I'll just tell it to fix those. Can you merge main and fix the merge conflicts? So well, let's work on that. I'll look at another one then. Yeah, I guess I might be able to make that a little faster. Oh yeah, I want the other one because the other one shows 30, which is which one? So we were just looking at this one, which is enhanced Mentat CLI, color running processes in CLI. Oh, I think I actually do want that. Let's see if that works. So which one is that? There's no lines. 1298. Let's see if this one has merge conflicts. It does not. Okay, I'll just push that. Now let's run it. Why is it failing? Oh, it's not failing. It's just warning. It takes 5 seconds. Huh, that's not so good. Oh, what was this one actually going to do? It was going to change the. It was going to change the color. The currently running agent is now going to be visible. Let's see if it works. So this one's running, I assume. Oh yeah, it's definitely still running, but it hasn't made. It's not a different color. So I guess it doesn't work. Oh, it did change just now text to now, like it reported, but color's now in green when it's currently running. Non-running recent. Is it not running? It should still be running, I think. I have to go over here to check. Yeah, it's running. Okay, so I guess it's not working. I wonder if it's this created at thing is like messing with it. What does -0 do? I should look into that. No, I don't know what that was even doing. I'll let it know that it doesn't seem to be working. The text is indeed changed to now, but it doesn't render as green. Okay. And then, oh yeah, so the view behavior. I definitely want to look at that one. Which one's? So that one's 1395. Let's see. Oh, I'll just tell it to do that. Oh, you know, I should be messaging it on the CLI so I can like repeat my commands. Yeah, it just like, I think this is the. I guess I can check what the syntax is just to double check. Oh, yeah. Okay. So yeah, I can just write it here. Can you merge? This way I can send the exact same message in the future. Can you merge main and fix the merge conflicts? Thanks. Oh, right. I always forget that. That'll work. Okay. What does the exclamation point even do? I should check actually. Okay. So yeah, as I work on them, I guess the ones that I last messaged should percolate to the top, right? Are these? So they're ordered by last active. Yeah, I think you have the option to order by last active or created at. Depending on what you're doing, I think sometimes ordering by created at is a little more intuitive because things just move around when you order by last active. But also, what was last active is probably what you want to interact with next most of the time. Okay, let's. What was 1290 again? Oh, it didn't do anything yet. Has 98 done anything yet? I guess they might have asked me questions I could ask. Let me order these by recently active. Okay, we got 4 working. Yeah, we still gotta use the website because the CLI is a work in progress, so it's kind of hard to tell what's going on from there. Okay, so they're all still working. No one's paused. I think there was another one, another CLI one. So I just want to work on all the CLIs. Oh yeah, the archive commands. This one should be easy. So we can check out 1300. Let's see if there's merge conflicts. There's not. Okay, so we can look at it right away. Okay, let's look at one of these. Let's find an agent that I'm never gonna. Well, I guess I can always unarchive. So let's just archive an agent and unarchive it. How about this one? Oh, I can't actually do it from the CLI because it doesn't have a branch. It has to have a branch. Well, I could do it from the CLI once I've got the other flag merged, but I don't quite yet. Yeah, what about this one? I'll just do that one. That's at 979. Does it work? Just Mentat archive? Oh, okay. Oh, I need to build. Script not found build. Did I not merge? Oh, right, because I checked. So I need to build it from the other branch. Oh, right. I need to use this one. I always forget. You can check out dash and it goes back and forth. Yeah, so you can do this for CD, and I've never really understood why this would be useful because I'm not really changing directories all the time. I don't know about you guys, but I'm mostly just running things from the same directory, but I am changing branches all the time. So you could check out dash is nice, but so often you kind of go back and forth with main and where you are, and then you can just reverse search. So I don't know if it's that useful either, but in this specific case, it's useful. So I'll run build, so we get the archive command, then I'll check out back, and then I'll try to archive it and unarchive it and see if the command worked. Nice. No agent found with description to Mentat 979. Huh. That's odd. Can I message it? I wonder if it's a specific bug to this one. Test. Just acknowledge. Let's see this. Huh. Maybe it's just really old. It's kind of concerning though. Maybe we changed how we handled branches. Let's do this one. 1419. Okay, so we archived it, and now I guess we can double check that it really is archived. Actually, I don't know if I want to show the archived ones. Well, I guess we can see that it's not here. Which one did I archive? Issue. Okay. So it was archived, and then let's see if unarchived was also implemented. Oh, is there no unarchive? Seems like something that people would want. Oh, that's an interesting. Oh, okay. I didn't know. Nice. So they didn't make an unarchive. What would be a normal flag to do? Well, okay, let's. Is this? No. Is it this one? Okay. Yeah, we definitely need an unarchive command. I'll let it. Okay. awesome. Archive works great. But I also want an unarchive command. Also, I'm not sure if there's any standard flag that means reverse that one could add to archive to mean unarchive. If there is, add that too. Okay. So yeah, it'll work on that now. Where was I? So many things going at once. But probably some of the previous things have stopped now. Oh, right. That thing I just archived, I probably want to unarchive it. Because I'll want to find it later. I was going to come back to that. This one. Oh yeah, let's test -o. So if I add the -o, it should open it. Okay, it did open it, but yeah, it opened it in a random other browser. Which reminds me, I actually messaged the wrong agent just there. So let me make sure I messaged the right agent. No. No, it did. Oh, oops, I archived the wrong agent. Oh, let me unarchive that. Oops, I didn't mean to archive you. And tell it to keep going. Okay, I didn't mean to archive that one, but it did work. So that's good. Unarchive now. Oh yeah, it's nice that it prints this, I guess. Okay. What's next? Yeah, it's hard to tell here because there's no like indication of whether they've paused. Okay, 3 of them have paused. This name is very undescriptive. Oh yeah, you can change the name. I'm gonna change the name just to remember what it does. Mentat CLI repo branch flags. Let's forget I can do that. Oh yeah, what did I actually want it to do? Was it? Oh, I just wanted it to merge main. Okay, that's why I couldn't merge it right away. Okay, let's see if it worked. Okay, well now I need to run this again to remember what it was. Okay, yeah, this one that I renamed. 1290. It's a lot of stuff. Okay, and let's so I could create an agent in this other repo, but it's capital R. I don't know option. Oh right, I've got to build again. There's probably a way to change it so it's like automatically rebuilding, or like a way to like not, instead of running Mentat, I could probably run like index.js or something, which I should probably figure out how to do so I don't have to like rebuild every time and keep forgetting to rebuild. Still no dash R? Okay. I guess it was lowercase r. Huh. I'll just straight test. So it worked before, so I'm sure it'll work again. I wonder if it does it have a -o? Yeah, okay. And it has a -o flag to open it right away. And it did open right away. Okay, perfect. I guess I can see all the options if that helps. So it's got open, you can specify the installation ID, the repo, the branch, the model. Oh, it's nice that you can specify the model. I guess that's important. Oh, I didn't know there was a -h. I guess that's easier than writing help. Okay, now we can message agents across branch too. But I haven't tested that. I probably should. who can I message? I'll just message a random agent. I'll just message this agent. So I'll just check out main and message this agent. So -b mentat 1290. Thanks, just testing. Oh, I wonder, does it specify? Oh, that also has a -o flag. -o is really helpful, actually. Okay, and I can see it sent the messages, so that's good. Okay, I think this one can probably be merged, but let's see if it's any good. So this one is 1290. Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess this is the one I had open. Okay, so we can look at the code here. Yeah, so the CLI is not shipped yet, so it's safe to merge code that's just in the CLI. I don't know if this is going to lead to high quality code, but in the end, if it's not, we don't have to ship it. It's sort of a side project. Okay, so it added a repo flag, a branch flag, a model flag. Oh, okay, so the model flag was added as part of this branch. Did I ask for that, or did it? Doesn't even mention that it added it. What was my original message? Oh, I guess I just added it right here. Okay, and it did add it. Okay. I guess I should check if it worked. Okay, so it added the flags, and then the message command is, there's the create command and the message command. Oh, so we're still in create. So it gets current repo information. So it gets it from. Oh, so okay, so that was on the client side, checking the owner repo format. I don't know if we want that on the client side. It seems like if it's like the wrong format. Well, actually, I guess maybe we do need it now. So because we use the API. Where do we actually send it? I guess further down. This is just like validation. Oh, because we are. Where did we get the repo before? So previously we got the repo from the environment. So do we still get the repo from the environment? So we validated before opening the editor. I guess that's logical. Oh, so previously, okay, we did it here. Get current repo info, which I guess gets it from the environment or the directory. And then here, we only do it after trying to get it from options, which makes sense. And then if neither work, we log, so that seems good. And then message adds the same things, and we got the same error handling. I don't know, maybe there's some code duplication there. Then Git was changed. How to find agents for repo. What was changed? Why do we need to change Git? I don't know. Okay, and then we got some tests, but they're not very comprehensive, I suppose. Well, I'm just going to merge it because it's only affecting the CLI, which is most of what I wanted to verify. Okay, so that's done. I can archive this agent. All right, and that's oh yeah, let's see if the archive command is done now. So new unarchive functionality. So we've got a dedicated unarchive. Yeah, let's see if all this works. Oh, I can. It's this one. All right, let's check out main, get pool. Check out that, get pool. Get merge main. Okay, no merge conflicts. Push that. Okay. And let's build done. chats. Okay. So we want to see the unarchive command. Oh, I wonder if. Oh, you know what? I just realized another thing we're gonna have to tell this guy to do, so I'll tell it to do it now. Which is it also needs to support branch and repo commands. We recently added support for message/create to specify the agent/branch. Can you do the same for archive? Thanks. Oh, and I just realized we never do that for open, do we? What are all our commands? Yeah, ls also needs to accept a repo, but not a branch. View needs to accept. Yeah, let me just ask it if it does that. Okay. Mentat create. We recently added support for Mentat create message to accept repo branch flags. I think we neglected to do the same for view, open, and ls. That one should just take repo, not branch flags. I guess it's getting cut off now by my webcam. Can you implement all those as well? Thanks. Unknown command. Oh, I guess. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe it got cut off. Did it create it? Oh, it's okay. Okay, I guess it just worked. I don't know why. What's this print error unknown command create message? We recently added support for. Oh, okay. So I guess it just was trying to interpolate this and failed, but it still. This must be some Z shell thing. I think it'll figure it out without the. I'll let it know. Let's just copy this. Oops, my message got cut off. I don't think it really matters. It looks like it's already editing. Yeah, it looks like I figured out list, open, view are all getting them. And we can see here, I guess list only has repo. Yeah, so it's figuring it all out. It looks like it understands the assignment. Nice. And I should just go to Mentat to only see these agents. Okay. So yeah, this one needed the repo flags. I wonder. Yeah, I guess we're gonna end up with sort of a lot of code duplication. I feel like command should somehow like extend some class to like enforce that they have all the features they need, so people don't forget to do that. Let's see if this one worked. 4076. Yeah, I don't know what this one was even supposed to do. I think I wanted some like fancier colors, but this all looks fine. Oh, I forgot to build it. So yeah, I was supposed to make it more visually obvious because all these say just now because they like did something in the last minute, but like it would be nice if they were visually different. Like here, you can see they're all kind of just now. Oh, something's wrong. I guess these were 14 minutes ago. What's it sorted by recently active? That's odd. I guess they must only be granular to an hour or something. Maybe that's another thing that we should fix. Yes. Yeah. I'm just gonna give up on this one. I'll just close that PR and archive that agent. I guess the archive command's not implemented yet, so I gotta run and archive that. Okay, done with that one. Let's see. Okay, so I think this one's probably just good. Let's look at our diff. What's wrong with the diff? I must not have reloaded properly. Had some like old state. Okay, so it adds a repo flag to the list one. Yeah, let's just test it a little bit, I guess. But it looks all correct. Copy that. Pull. So let's just run ls. Failed to fetch agents. HTTP 4222. That's odd. Here works, right? Okay, so that works. So what's wrong? Why is it still working? Pause for feedback. Oh, maybe something failed. That's probably why it's still working. Actually, yeah, we can see CI failed, and I guess that's why it's working. Website checks. Oh, okay. Hey, why is this in website checks? It should be in its own CLI file. That's not good. Well, that might be the problem. So I guess I'll just wait for it to fix CI instead of evaluating it now. What else is done? Where's the view command? Sorted by recent active. I thought. Oh, this guy's really cooking, actually. Okay, merge complete. Merge. Okay. Who is this? Just GPT-5? Horrible. Yeah, maybe Sonnet's just smarter. Why is it still talking? Huh. Okay. Got in a sort of a doom loop there. I should have noticed earlier. I might just ask Sonnet to do this. Okay, we'll see if its code worked, but in the meantime, let's have Sonnet try to do it. All right, yeah, let's get GPT-5 high. Okay, but in the meantime, let's see if it worked. I just paused this one, right? Okay. Where's that branch? Oh yeah, it's behind by 48 because it merged main, not because it like did a ton of stuff. Okay, let's run Mentat view. Oh, I need to build, of course. Make a note for myself to figure out how to skip build dev mode. Um, origin is not defined. Huh. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna archive this one, and we'll see if I'll close this, I guess. We'll see if Sonnet does better. Oh yeah, tests aren't even passing. So we'll see if Sonnet does better. Okay, this one now we can evaluate again, I guess. So I wanted which commands do I want to run? I guess I need to build it first. So I wanted to run ls with a repo flag to see if I could like see all the test repo issues or agents. What happens if I give Mentat itself? I'll just let it know that this is what I'm seeing. I just see I'll just not put apostrophes. Whenever I use the -r flag for ls. Okay, it'll figure that out. Maybe. Okay, so this one was just letting me archive like cross repo, cross branch. Let's see if it worked. That's all it needed. So this, what was it? 4077. I know how slow that is, like GitHub checkout versus Git checkout. Seems like it should have some kind of like cache and like. I guess it can't really cache because you can always just change the head branch. Wait, no. You can change the base branch of PRs, but you can't change the head branch. So they should cache it. But I guess they don't because it's slow. Okay, so let's see if I can archive a random agent from the test repo, I guess. Where's the test repo? Mentat QA's test repo. Let's try to archive. Oh, let's go to this repo. Yeah, this repo's not doing anything. Let's find an agent. I guess I've already archived all the agents, huh? Or are just not very many agents? Could there be? Oh. Huh. I guess. Huh. I guess because of how the test repo works, they don't actually end up having agents that are associated with branches. Let me just find a different repo. What repos do we have? Butler test playground. We got a lot of test repos. What's going on here? Let's see. Is agent real? I might need to unarchive it. Or I'll unarchive it and see if I can. Yeah, it's got a branch. So yeah, let's try to archive it again. Mentat. Oh, I gotta build. Starting builds. Oh, okay. So yeah, I'll try to archive this guy. So the repo is let's get that. And then the branch is, I can get it from here. And let's see if that archives it. Is it? It's capital B. Yeah, this one's really old, so it just doesn't. Didn't find it. Okay. Well, let's test the branch command on like this repo. Yeah, sometimes like the agents in the test repos end up kind of malformed in certain ways. I'll archive that again so it doesn't get distract by a bootloader. Yeah, let's just toggle this one archived. Or I need one with a branch. Toggle this one archived. Okay. Mentat archive. Wait, so okay, that's actually not so great that -r is reversed because then it kind of conflicts with --repo. Oh, is that why it failed up above? Because yeah, we definitely need some consistency here. Okay. Yeah, let's just archive this guy. Alright, so it archived it, and then let's see if we can unarchive it. Oh, it can't unarchive it. I should let it know. I can't unarchive. Wait, so yeah, I think it's probably the case that the endpoint. We might need to actually change the endpoint to make unarchive. Well, no, that can't be true because unarchive works on the website. So however it works on the website, we can make it work the same way. Oh, but I guess on the website it actually works differently because on the website we know the UUID, but here we're just like, oh, so it actually does have to work differently here. That's unfortunate. We let it know. -r for reverse actually does make sense. Let me see some stuff. So what did we do for other commands? So for view, oh okay, guys. View doesn't. We haven't implemented. So message takes -r for repo and -p for branch, but the GitHub CLI takes capital R. Does -r do nothing? It doesn't say anything about -r. I don't know if it does. Maybe once I merge all them, I'll ask another one to make them consistent. But I'll let it know that unarchive doesn't work. Unarchive doesn't seem to work. It says no agent found. I think the endpoint that finds the agent only looks at. Maybe we just don't want to implement unarchive for this reason. Yeah, I think actually we need to start letting commands like take UUIDs, and we need to think about like the front end a little bit more about like. I hate to expose UUIDs. I wish we had like GitHub's numbering system. I guess it's not too late. Obviously, we don't want anyone to just have to type UUIDs, but I guess copy paste exists. Only connects branches to unarchived agents. Can you make archive or Maybe I'll just merge with this part broken and go back and like ask it to make a consistent UUID interface. I might need to do some actual thinking, unfortunately. uh, so archive might be done even. Just see. Okay, so it's a whole new command, archive and unarchive. Unarchive doesn't work. And then there's tests, which is good. And archive takes installation, open, reverse, repo. Okay, so yeah, this looks fine. I'll change it later. Okay. Yeah, I'll change it later. I don't know. I think it should work because sometimes you run archive and immediately regret it and want to unarchive. And it should be the case if you run unarchive right after archive, it undoes it if you're like on the branch. So I think what it should do is find it, but it might require actually changing the endpoints. So yeah, let's just ask it to investigate that. Can you make it work? This might require changing the API somewhat. Not sure. But basically, if we unarchive, I want to find. I want to if we unarchive, I want to find the most recently made subscription with that branch if there are no unarchived ones. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah, I guess there's more complexity in the archive than I thought. Unfortunately. Yeah, I guess like the UI solves a lot of problems for the user by like managing the UIDs. Okay. Well, I think I might call it a day for the stream here. I don't know if we made that much progress. But yeah, I think I'm going to keep working on the CLI, mostly on stream. Just because I would prefer to work with the CLI on the website. Though, actually, I'm kind of... The website's growing on me. I don't know. But yeah, what did we do today? So we made it so it takes repo and branch flags, but only for message and create. Made another agent for view. Right? Maybe that one was merged. Okay, so we actually only merged one and we closed two to clean up. Or, yeah, were there any that I closed without even talking to? Maybe. Okay, then we got a lot moving, but yeah, that's the start of that. That was just testing. Okay, so I guess we didn't really get that much done, but we got situated a little bit and discovered some things. All right. Well, thanks everyone for watching. It was fun.